Okay, hello. Welcome to an absolutely roasting Saturday evening in Berlin. It's just turned about 8:30 and we're starting on a trek down to Geneva before we jump in a car and shoot down to France.
Berlin Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah, heading to Berlin Hauptbahnhof. The reason for that is thanks to a nice late cancellation by EasyJet, we get to spend 13 hours on German trains. So if that's what you're into...
That sounds like an adventure.
Exactly, yeah. If that's what you're into, hang around. See you soon. So we've arrived at Berlin Hauptbahnhof. That's it right behind me. Yeah, Nadia wanted to head down to the platform about 45 minutes early. I mean, they say that Belarusians are the Germans of Eastern Europe, so being with a Belarusian living in Germany, you can expect to arrive early for transport at least. Anyway, I thought I'd come outside, take a look around, show you guys around. Let's see what we can find.
I can deal with the bad night when I'm with my baby, yeah. Don't think I fit in at this party, no. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody.
So this station is meant to be one of the best in Europe, or at least one of the most well known. And I mean, I can kind of see why. I mean, it's quite modern. You got a lot of glass all over the place, but it's always seemed to be like a glorified shopping center to me. This is great. We've got one of the Berlin Bears here. See these guys all over the city. Must be a few hundred of them. Okay, so running out of time a little bit now, so I'm going to head down to the platform, join Nadia. We'll jump on the first of the 3 trains of tonight's slog over to Geneva. First train takes about 4.5 hours, I think. It'll take us to Frankfurt. Then we'll wait a while, jump on another train to, I don't actually know, somewhere in Switzerland. And then after that, we'll get the final one that'll take us straight through the Geneva airport. And about, what time is it? Yeah, in about 13 hours from now. Sounds like fun, no? You looking at my food?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to see?
Yeah.
Wow, what's wrong with that? It's good.
It's a funny name.
Nach Geneva über Berlin Basel. Abfahrt 21:41 Uhr. Gleis 13.
No, I guess we have to go there.
Okay, that's the first leg done. Just landed in Frankfurt. To be honest, that was a damn comfortable ride. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really good. Really
Easy.
nice.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
Obviously turned up on time and arrived early.
Yeah.
Not expecting anything else here.
We enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's easy enough. It's about 2:15 a.m. We've got maybe 30 minutes, so we're gonna take a look around Frankfurt train station.
Yeah. which is unusually busy.
Surprisingly busy here. What do you think? Yeah, a few things are open. Unfortunately, not the Wurstelden, not the sausage heroes. They're shut. Worse than kebab. Sausage heroes. So Nadia said this is in a rough part of town. So we're gonna go take a look outside. See if we can see any crimes being committed. Got no idea when this station was built, but I don't know, what do you think? Sometime in the late 1800s? Must have been pretty impressive at the time. Anyway, I've got two corrections to make. Firstly, take back everything I said about the trains being punctual here. Next one's 15-20. Oh, gee. Scared the hell out of me. Next one's 15-20 minutes late. But it doesn't matter, we should be fine for the connection. And secondly, it's not 3 trains we need to take to Geneva, it's 4. So even more of a slog than I thought. So next one turns up in 20 minutes. Nadia's already on the platform, and let's go join her. Yeah, funny thing.
Ferry 11.
Yeah, funny thing. They announced it's going to be 25 minutes late. That just turns up on time. So, I mean, you could easily just head off, you know, go grab a beer or something like that, and yeah, miss your bloody train. All right, let's go find the seat.
Von Gleis A, direkt gegenüber.
So it's just gone 5 AM. We've passed through Baden-Baden, which means we're in the southwest of Germany, just sliding down that border with France. We've got about another 5 hours to go, and to be honest, I gotta be honest, by now I'm completely destroyed. I guess I'm asleep. The sun's come up.
Yeah.
And we're now in Switzerland. So how much time have we got at this station? How much time?
I think 30 minutes.
30 minutes. All right, let's go check it out.
Yeah, I just want to check something I've never heard before.
Oh, must be the drum.
That's really funny, like, yeah? There is just literally nothing going on.
Yeah, if that is live footage, it's a pretty quiet morning. So welcome to Switzerland. We've got about 30 minutes until the next train, but naturally Nadia's already gone to the platform. So I get to look around. Check out this painting. It's beautiful. Yeah, let's take a look outside. I've never been to Switzerland before, but the impression you get from abroad, I guess it's the same for pretty much everybody, is of a picture perfect kind of country, beautifully clean, very organized, beautiful flowers everywhere, cows with bells on their necks, cute little villages, and pretty stunning cities. And I mean, so far this is looking quite good. And check out this train station. The area around it. I mean, we'll be leaving again in about 4 hours, maybe 5. I can't remember what time it is now. It's a bit of a shame. Just heading down to the platform, past about 4 or 5 food places, pretzels, donuts, muffins, some traditional Swiss stuff on top of that that I can't remember the name of and probably couldn't pronounce even if I did. But it all smells amazing. But imagine even one part of that would bankrupt me in a heartbeat, so we'll try and hang on for now. This is my first time on a Swiss train. Is it the same for you?
Yeah.
You've never been here before either, no? And yeah, and the sun's up, so we can finally see something out of the window.
Green. Thank you.
I've only got a couple of minutes for this change. Correct?
Yeah.
Wunderbar. Alright, let's go. Which number?
4.
Okay. Here we go again?
Yes.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. So we've got just short of 1 hour left before we arrive at Geneva airport. Grab a coffee, probably pay about 50 quid for it. Jump in a car and head down to France. So I'm gonna try and get some sleep before that. See you at the end. Okay guys, so we made it. There's 5 trains and just over 13 hours later.
Yeah.
We're here in Geneva airport. So how much did that cost? It's about 60 quid in total or something
Yeah,
like that.
60, yeah, 65 probably.
Yeah, that's not so bad
Yeah.
for
Oh,
first
it's
class
quite
all the way.
good, I would say.
Yeah, it was really
It's
comfortable
also
as well.
first class.
Yeah, yeah, it was great actually.
Yeah.
So I don't know who's watched that until the end, made it all the way here with us. But if you did, thanks very much. Hit the like button, subscribe, and
Yeah.
hopefully we'll see you in the future. See you later.
See you.